By now you are aware that the solution to a system of equations is the point where the lines meet. And now you should also know that the solution to a system of inequalities is not a point, but a region surrounded by the lines that the system of inequalities represents. For example, find the solution to the inequalities x plus y is greater than or equal to 3 and y is less than or equal to x minus 2. First, plot the inequalities using the same method used for equations. The slope and y-intercept of the first inequality is found solving the first equation for y. Subtract x from both sides. Y is greater than or equal to negative x plus 3. The inequality tells us that the slope, the coefficient of x, is negative 1 and the y-intercept is 3. The slope of the second inequality is 1, the coefficient of x, and the y-intercept is negative 2. Both lines are plotted here. To find the region of the answer, look at the direction of the y inequalities only. In the first inequality, y is greater than. Therefore, the solution is above, which is greater. The second inequality is less than. Thus, the solution must be below the line. The graphs show this for each line separately, and then a third graph shows the solution to the system. In other words, both combine. In the solution of inequalities, it is worthwhile to remember that regions of pairs of inequalities with positive slope and negative slopes can be seen as 4 possible combinations. Both positive and negative slopes greater than, both positive and negative slopes less than, negative slope greater than, positive slope less than, positive slope greater than, negative slope less than. Another example, find the solution region for x is less than negative 5 and y is greater than negative 2. The first inequality is to the left of the vertical line. X is less to the left. The second inequality is above the horizontal line. Y is greater over the horizontal. Because the inequalities are less than and greater than, dashed lines apply. The region is the answer. Another example. Find the solution region for y is less than or equal to 3 and y is greater than or equal to 2x minus 1. The first line is horizontal at 3 and the solution region goes down. And the second line crosses at negative 1 and has a slope of 2, up 2 and to the right 1. And the solution region goes up. Because lines are less than or equal to and greater than or equal to, solid lines apply. This region is the answer. One last example. Find the solution area to the 4 inequalities. X is less than 2, a dashed line. This is a vertical line at 2 with solution to the left. Y is less than or equal to 3, a solid line. This is a horizontal line at 3 with solution down. Y is greater than or equal to x minus 4, a solid line. This one crosses at negative 4 with a slope of 1 and solution up. Y is less than 3x plus 1, a dashed line. This one crosses at 1 with a slope of up 3 to the right 1. As you can see, here is where all solutions meet. This region is the answer.